So finally, after a few emails and no response on my emails, I wrote something on the YouTube channel and something on the Facebook page, and I finally got an answer of them. And I don't know if you want to hear the answer, but for me it was pretty disappointing. They are more or less saying, oh, I'm sorry, just buy a new mixer from us. So I told them I'm never gonna buy an Allen and Heath mixer again, because if there is another program, you don't gonna support it anymore. So I used to love the mixer from Allen and Heath. I was very happy with it, but I bought a new laptop and I don't can use anymore the mixer because they refuse to update the software. And in one forum they said, yeah, it's about the chips, they are too old, the chips don't work anymore properly with the software. But that's why you write the software, so you don't have to use the chips in your system or in your mixer. That's why you're writing the software, so you can use the chips with the laptop. That's the only thing the software has to do. So I really don't understand it. I've got a lot of other products I get working with my M1. I had a problem with the Pioneer RMX 1000, and they solved the problem, and it was very easy. After that I got some reactions of some people and they did the same with me and it worked. So I don't know what is wrong with Allen and Heath. I think it's a shame because I only use my mixer in the studio and it's as good as new, even if it's 3 or 4 years old. But I mean, I bought 3 years ago a new mixer and now they say, oh, I'm sorry, just buy a new mixer from us. But after 3 or 4 years, I have to buy another one from them. So I really think I'm gonna switch to Pioneer back again. I don't know if I'm gonna buy a controller or if I'm gonna buy the CD players. I just have to see how it's going. And today I recorded a new live stream and the camera was working great again. I formatted I don't know exactly how to say it, the SD card, and now it's working perfect again. I asked around on some people and they all said the same. Oh, you have to format the SD card and then it's working fine. My laptop, my old laptop, what I need to use, because I can't use this one because Allen and Heath don't want to update the software for the mixer. It's getting issues. I had last week that 2 or 3 times the mix stopped, and today I had the same problem. So I had to start in total 4 times over. 2 times after 50 minutes, 1 time after 40 minutes, and luckily the last time the whole mix went through. So I don't know exactly what to do. I need to make a decision this month, but I don't know. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. Or I'm gonna buy a new mixer from Pioneer, or I don't know. I have to look around because I'm very disappointed in Allen and Heath. If you have a solution how I can use my M1 laptop so that I still can use my Allen and Heath mixer, the X1DB4, please let me know, because I really love the mixer, but I'm so disappointed in Allen and Heath. I think it's very simple and very easy. Send an email. Listen guys, be careful if you have that mixer. Be aware that you can use it anymore. A lot of people were asking about it on the forums. I sent them a few emails. They didn't respond on the emails. and I have to find it out on the forums. And when I put something on the Facebook page and on the YouTube page, they responded on that. It's a shame that a big company like that, they really make a good product, but at least come with a decent solution. But no, just saying, oh no, we don't support the mixer anymore and you have to buy a new one. Anyway, that was the big problem for today. Also, I've got a booking in September. More about that later. Over 2 weeks, I've got 2 bookings. In June, July, I don't have any bookings because the tickets are so expensive. So if you want to book me, you still can book me. I'm available each weekend in July. If you like the video, subscribe to the video, push the notification bell, leave a comment, go to my socials, follow me on my socials, and I hope to see you back tomorrow. Enjoy!